Hi, my name is Sebastian Richter. I'm the head of product management for our heavy-duty connectors at Murrelektronik, and in the next few videos I'll introduce our Modlink Heavy product portfolio. Modlink Heavy are heavy-duty connectors that bundle signal, data, power and pneumatics safely in industrial applications. All of our products feature UL approval and can be used in the harshest industrial environments. We even offer solutions for the protection classes IP68. Our heavy-duty connectors are called heavy-duty for a reason. They are resistant to mechanical stress and perform well under harsh conditions. For example, in dirty or wet environments. They are ideal for industries like machine building, automation, wind technology, robotics and plant engineering. Depending on the application, heavy-duty connectors are often used for power supply as well as I/O signal transmission. We understand that every application is unique. We have a wide product portfolio that features housings in many sizes and inserts that are available with the exact connections needed, and we are continually expanding our selection. Our selection of tools will make sure your Modlink Heavy connections are error-free and withstand almost any industrial environments. Stay tuned to the next video to get an overview of our housings or visit murrelektronik.com.